In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to check if someone has blocked you on Facebook. Let's get started. The simplest method is to open Facebook and search for their name in the search bar. If they don't appear, it could be a sign, but not a confirmation. Another way is to go to your own profile, open your friend list, and search for their name there. If they don't show up there, they may have unfriended or blocked you. You can also check through Messenger if you had past conversations and their name now appears as Facebook user. That's a strong indicator you have been blocked. Another test is trying to tag them in a post or comment using the @ symbol. If their name does not appear, that's another clue. For final confirmation, ask a friend or family member with Facebook to search for their profile if they can find it while you can't, or if they send you a link that shows profile not available when you open it, then you have definitely been blocked. But if no one can find them, they may have simply deactivated or deleted their account. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.